Tired of dealing with constant rental repairs? Managing your own property can quickly drain your time, money, and ROI, return on investment. The good news is that many common issues don't have to happen at all. With a few simple preventative steps, you can stop small problems from turning into costly fixes. Today, I'm sharing the most common rental repairs and simple ways to avoid them so you can protect your investment, save money, and keep your tenants happy. Not long ago, I was chatting with a landlord who told me it felt like every month there was another repair bill. They had leaky faucets, broken appliances, and HVAC problems. They were tired of it, and it felt like their profits were slipping away. So we sat down, went over a simple proactive maintenance plan, and before long, those surprise calls started to drop off. The thing is, most big repairs actually start as small problems that can usually be avoided with the right approach. And the most common ones are, number one would be plumbing issues. Clogged drains, running toilets, and leaky faucets are among the top tenant complaints. If left unchecked, though, they can cause water damage and even lead to mold. To prevent them, be sure to schedule routine inspections and educate your tenants on what they should and shouldn't go down the drains, and replace worn-out washers or supply lines before they fail. Number two is HVAC breakdowns. Heating and cooling systems are essential for tenant comfort, and repairs can quickly become expensive if problems are ignored. You can help avoid breakdowns by changing filters every 3 months, schedule annual professional servicing, and keep outdoor units free of debris. Regular preventative maintenance like this, simple but easy, can add years to the life of your system. The third one would be appliance failures. Refrigerators, dishwashers, and washers and dryers get heavy use in rental properties, and small issues often snowball if they're ignored. You can reduce breakdowns and extend the lifespan by cleaning refrigerator coils, checking door seals, and making sure tenants know how to use appliances properly. Even a simple annual check can save thousands in replacement costs. Another one, especially here in the Northwest, is roof and gutter problems. Roof leaks and clogged gutters can lead to water damage, mold, and costly repairs if left unchecked. They can also shorten the lifespan of your roof and siding. You can minimize the risk by cleaning gutters twice a year and inspecting roofs for missing shingles or damaged flashing. Catching those issues early helps prevent major repairs later. And the last one is electrical repairs. Faulty outlets, flickering lights, and overloaded breakers are not only frustrating for tenants, but can also create serious safety hazards and increase the risk of fire. Avoid these issues by regularly inspecting outlets, updating outdated wiring, making sure your rental is up to code. Routine safety checks protect both your property and your tenants. Managing these repairs does take time, organization, and constant follow-up. That's exactly what we handle every day as professional property managers, so you can enjoy higher ROI and peace of mind without the stress of day-to-day issues. If you'd like to learn more about how our property management services can help owning rentals easier, feel free to give me a call, text, or send me an email. I'll walk you through your options and answer any questions you may have.